Right, I'm only a couple of days away from going to New York. By not going to New York, by going to Seattle, I need to pack a bag. And I hate packing. It's the worst thing ever. I hate packing. Best way to pack a bag, packing cells. Use these and everything's fine. I'm not gonna pack a bag. Use these and everything's fine. I've created a brand new way of packing. It's called Bake a Bag. All right, grab your bag, chuck all your clothes in. Here's the mixing cells. Baking cells. Give it a good old mix up. Well, that's looking pretty good so far. I think I'm going to leave it for maybe about 5 minutes. Come back, check it, and hopefully it's good to go. Maybe 15. 20. Alright, while that's baking away and packing for me, I could watch some YouTube videos, could watch some Breaking Bad, or could go do something. Let's do that.
Welcome all of you. An evening with Mr. Robert Webb. He is also...
That was great. Webb, wrestling, Webpool 2. Might as well just go straight to the airport.
Air New Zealand flight.
So I finally arrived in Seattle. I'm at my hotel. I'm about to go. I'm at my hotel. I'm at my hotel. Bag. Sitting on bed. It's taken a bit longer than I thought. More than 15 minutes, but hopefully it's cooked properly. Ah, beautiful. Maybe it needed that extra couple of days to really sink in. Right, back to Seattle.